A guy named Travis Disselton. His name is spelled Disseltin at Travis_Sean_D at yahoo.com asks, love the podcast. No bullshit. I get the picture that you're a businessman. I'd like to partner with you. I'm opening up a fudge factory up here in Iowa, and I'd be honored if you were my head fudge packer. So, Rip, would you like to pack my fudge? By the way, how much experience do you have, if any, as a fudge packer? Well, Travis, I've had a lot of experience as a fudge packer, but I'm not interested in working for you. But, once again, Travis's email address is Travis, that's Travis _Sean, SHAWN _D at yahoo.com. So, those of you that might be interested in packing fudge for Travis should send him a video resume. And I hope that works out for Travis. _Sean _D at yahoo.com.